Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Maruti Suzuki. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Maruti Suzuki with a price target of Rs 12,257 in expectation of the success of new launches, improvement in operating performance and structural upward shift in its product mix. The volume mix has been consistently improving as UVs contribute 36% to its total volume in November 23 compared to 25% in November 22. Management targets to outperform the PV industry in FY24. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 24.2 times its FY25 estimates. Next on radar is Subros Ltd. Our analysts reinitiate viewpoint coverage on Subros with a positive view and 30% upside potential on considering Subros as key proxy to play on rising PV growth cycle and upswing in EBITDA margins. Further, Subros EBITDA margin contraction cycle, which was FY18 to FY23, is over and EBITDA margin revival cycle would begin from FY24 onwards. Along with that, an addition of new programs, shift in business towards SUVs, and mandatory installation of AC cabins in CVs to drive its performance. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 16.2 and EV by EBITDA multiple of 7.4 times its FY26 estimates. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.